Everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a 2023 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit vehicle, and a long name, in short PPV. This casting is by Greenlight, and it's from their Hot Pursuit set. It's in 1:64 scale. You can see it's from Greenlight Collectible. Looks nice. The SUV, big SUV from Chevy. So let's open it up. Oh, before I do that, I think if you can read it. It says, let me move the camera a little bit up. It's from New Hampshire State Police. Yep. So that should be all the paint scheme on the vehicle. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's a quick look at 2023 Chevy Tahoe PPV. And I like this paint scheme. It's very different. Normally you see black and white, but it's green and gold. Looks to have some good details. So let's deep dive into it and see all those details. So true to a lot of different police vehicles, it comes with steel wheels. That's the first thing I noticed. And the tires, they look smaller than what it gets on the actual, normal vehicle, I will say. Or civilian vehicle, right? For normal people. Now let's move to the front. So on the front, you've got some nice details. You've got this big bull bar. You've got painted headlamps, Chevy badge, the trim base that goes there. And there's a texture to the grille too, so it looks good. And you also got a skid plate. So nice details there. Going back to the driver's side again. So you got rubber tires, the plastic wheels that mimic steel wheels. You got detailed door handles, black out actually. Black mirror, and we saw the two-tone paint, which looks good. You got state trooper written there, an American flag, and that I think is for the state police. It's in New Hampshire, so I think it's their sign. Back. Apart from that, you've got the fuel filler on this side, the B-pillar finished in black. You also got trim around the windows. I like the paint. Actually, I've never seen a police paint a vehicle with such a cool paint. Normally they're always boring, I would say. It's a very plain paint. Yeah. Windows are slightly tinted, not heavily, so you can see some interior there if the light shines on it correctly. Now moving to the back. On the back there are also some nice details. As you can see, detailed tail lamp, which are actually nicely detailed. You've got the Chevy badge with the silver trim, state plates from there, and the number plate, which reads, let's see if it can focus because it's white and it's a very bright kind of red. Plates numbers, I can read 604, and I think it's state police written above that. Then you've got the black finish for the door handle for the tailgate, another chrome fittings at the bottom, and stop lamps, and you got the exhaust. I think that's for the tow hook right there in the middle, the opening for the tow hook. Maybe a small spoiler is there also attached to the tailgate. I think I haven't seen this kind of antenna on the regular vehicle, so this might be specially for the PPV, and they have more modules in there. They need a lot of I think tracks and all that stuff. That's why. No sunroof here, but you've got this long roof beads. No roof really either. Now going to the passenger side, it's almost identical. The only difference, no fuel filler door here. And if you look at the mirrors, they've got the silver finish there, just to show it's a mirror. Interior is finished in black, as you can see here, and it has got. See if it's visible, it has got all the 3 rows up there. So it's a 3-row SUV. So there's a third row too, but I think the rear window is tinted, so it's not clearly visible there. So this is how it looks from the top, and this is how the metal base looks. They got some details there, not a lot of it, but there are some details, more than what Hot Wheels does these days. Now overall, I think it looks really nice, looks good, and it's in 1:64 scale. And I think Matchbox also did a Chevy Tahoe, but obviously it's Matchbox size, not this size. I think it looks good. If you're into police vehicles, you might want to get it. It will go well with other castings, other police cars even in your collection. And I think Greenlight does an entire series of these every year. So if you are into these, you might want to get more of the police vehicles from their series, and will make a good addition to your collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.